Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to show in RivaTuner and MSIAfterburner how to display your microphone if it's on and off while you record, for example on big screen mode, full screen, and you can see your recording. And I'll showcase how to manage the recording thing in case you want to also check if you're recording or not, because it happens a lot, to me at least. So what you want to do is basically assign two shortcuts onto different buttons, which one enables and which one disables the audio. Like for me, the dot is to silence and the minus is to basically reactivate the audio for my comfort, and a button which to suspend the recording, of course. But I'm saying this because you want to match this with the RivaTuner settings. So I'm not showcase how RivaTuner and MSI works. Hope you already know it. In case I'll do a better video to showcase how you do it. Basically on RivaTuner, on MSIAfterburner, you want to basically go in configuration and place that the showcasing of information is on the same button which you resume and stop the recording and pause the recording of OBS. And then this one is to check if you're recording or not visually. About the microphone, what you want to do is to open RivaTuner right here. Go to setup. Nothing is important here. Go to plugins. This one should be unchecked your first times being here. Check them. And then what you want to do is to basically go to overlay editor. I'll make a new layer editor, layouts, my bad. You should see something like this if you put MSI in basically not showing everything else. You can just create a profile to hide and showcase other information. This is all up to you, but that's not the goal of the video. Basically, just you have an empty space where to put the text you want to see, which you want to put the text saying mic on, and load another layout saying mic off. Unfortunately, it's not possible with just one button. I tried. So what you want to do is to simply create a layout to add. You get a text right here, double click it, and say mic on. Give it a custom text, background color not necessary. Like for me, color on should be a bright yellow, which is simple to see. The name is not important. This one is not important. Just click OK, and just save the layout. Like on, just put on. And you call it whatever you want, but it's important to give it a simple name now. Now just modify it. Click and type off. And basically put a gray to indicate the mic is off. You'll see it visually. And put off. Okay, now with the layouts ready, what you want to do is quit this, go hotkey handle, configure, and now where you put the same information, like activate the microphone, deactivate the microphone, go to the three dots, do preset and load overlay. Don't change the description because this is kind of false. This is the command, not the description. If you change the description name, it won't work. The only thing you want to change is the parameters, which basically you will put on. Sorry, I just noticed I muted my microphone. Basically, I said this is the command, not the description. Don't change this. It's false. Do load preset, load over preset, and then where you put the name of the overlay. So it's on .ovl. Okay. Same thing on the other side, but with the off. Now it's kind of set. Click OK. And now to test this very fast, just open the overlay editor and click the buttons. As you can see on my screen, when I put, oh shit, it's not possible unfortunately. Let's do this here. Basically, you can see when my microphone is on, the text is yellow, and I can see it moving. When it's off, you couldn't hear me, of course, but when it's off, the button is off. Now, in game, it will look like this. Under the yellow, my trusty game. As you can see, you basically can move and see the your date, like in full screen, you'll see it. Now I'm playing full screen. You can hear me because mic is on, and my OBS setting is currently recording, because when you record, you want to see your information to not get lost. And basically, when you press, I can show this because I'm recording right now, but basically when you pause the recording, you'll not see the information. So of course time won't move singularly, but you can see it. But basically, when I pause the registration, I couldn't see my mic on and off. So when I play maybe too hard, I see, I'm not recording it. Oh shit, for example. And when I wanted to mute the microphone, you'll see mic off. And that's pretty much it. You can tandem with this with the MSIAfterburner other configuration, like now you see OBS, you see all your mic on and the date. Like if you change to another profile, you can see the GPU, 3D, and so on. If you just wanted to basically make the mic a little bit better, just go in configuration RivaTuner and just give it extra space to see it how it looks like. You don't need to load everything again, just make your slight fixes like so. Save this one, load the other one. See, it's kind of bad. And when you play the game, now it's much more better put. Now you can see microphone is off, but it's because I lowered the configuration. It's not really off, thank God. And when it's on, you can see this. It just plays it again better. Now you can see the Microsoft is on. Okay, so what I said about the text, I was wrong. I just quickly tested it again. What you wanna do is basically I reopen the same layers, of course, to showcase the thing because I was wrong before. You want to use fixed size alignment. This one will basically put always in the position you want the text. So let's just quickly fix it. Use fixed timer, resize layer to content. Load the other one. Use fixed size alignment. Okay, I'll quickly edit the hotkey handler because I changed to my personal ones. Now you see off because it was a standard one. Now click on, fix this one. Now click off and do the same thing. As you can see, the text now is balanced as all things should be. Sorry for this quick fix. It was kinda odd I couldn't manage this one at least. And yeah, sorry. It's my tutorial. Hope the video was useful, and expect more videos. I'm about to do it. See ya, and thank you for watching.